We will be creating an app similar to this called Ben's Article Generator. The look and feel of the application will be designed through the creation of a new form in JotForm. Here on JotForm, first click on Start from Scratch to create a classic form. Here we can change the name of the form to Ben's AI Article Generator. Then we start adding elements by clicking on the plus sign on the left side. Let's add a new field, a drop-down for selecting the tone, with options like professional, witty, casual, or funny. These are the options the user can select. In the settings of this field, we make the visible options to 4, so all the options are visible, with professional as the default choice selection for this drop-down. Next, we add a long text field. This is where users can enter context or a summary about the article they want to generate. We'll set the header for the field to type of context or summary for the article and put a placeholder in the settings for this field. We'll say type your article summary or context here. Now, we can go ahead and add an email field. This is where the final output of the article will be sent. To ensure that the user cannot skip essential fields, let's make all of them mandatory. Including the drop-down, let's mark all the 3 fields as required. Lastly, let's make the form visually appealing and user-friendly. By applying a theme, I will select the Purple Galaxy theme and hit Apply. This is the new look of our form. We can test it out by making a test submission. Now, in Zapier, we can create a new trigger for JotForm and select our form. Then, add a new integration for ChatGPT, where the user message would be directed at generating an article based on the user input, including the tone and context. For the model, I'll select GPT-4 and increase the token limit since we're generating long-form content. We can also adjust other settings as needed. To test it, we can add another prompt with a different task, like generating a headline. In the same way, we'll ask for a headline based on the article content, keeping the tokens at 250. For the image generation, we'll add another step in our flow, a prompt for ChatGPT to generate a cover photo on the given tone and context. Select DAL 3 instead of DAL 2 from the drop-down. You can also adjust size and other settings for the image. After testing this step, the last step would be to add an email step. We'll use Zoho email to send out the email through Zoho, adding an action where the email entered in the form will be used. We'll add a subject, select HTML for the body type, and put the headline in an H2 tag and the body of the article below that in an H4 tag for a cohesive look. In the attachment section, we can include the image that was generated. This will be the URL of the image generated by DAL. Let's go ahead and test our application live. We'll enter the context, let's say Sam Altman. Let's keep the tone as professional, continue, and enter the email. In a few seconds, the email with the article, including a headline, a body, and an image related to the article, will be sent. We received a headline, a 350 words article, and a cover photo generated by ChatGPT. Similarly, we can enhance this application further to make it a full content generator, not just an article generator, in the next and upcoming episodes. Discover the latest, learn to build AI tools, and find 101 ways of making money with AI. Start your AI business or learn to build one for others. Never fall behind on the latest on AI at Lightbulb University.